Hello, men. Greetings from Shiba Inu Coin again. Just recently, BitBoy Crypto learned who Shiba Inu's inventor was. He said that Karma DAO, where FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF co-CEO of FTX, Ryan Salami, Naima Jahan, and also Andrew Lee, the inventor of Karma DAO, were assembled, among others, is where Shiba Inu's origins may be traced. Armstrong began by displaying a deleted tweet from Lee in which she acknowledged knowing the Shiba Inu founder. The influencer also discovers evidence that Shib began in the Karma DAO group in the summer of 2020 in another deleted tweet from Lee. In this video, we'll discuss the Simpsons April 1, 2023 Shiba Inu price prediction. Don't forget to give Shib News a thumbs up. To see our most recent articles on expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inu, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. The fact that Serum SRM started on July 28, 2020, in the Karma DAO group also caught Armstrong's attention. At the Karma DAO, SBF gave a presentation on Serum to introduce the project. Serum was one of SBF's pump tokens, as is well known. Thus, BitBoy has the alleged evidence that the SHIB foundering had to originate from the aforementioned circle. However, another YouTuber provided the influencer with the conclusive proof. He was informed by this unidentified YouTuber that Naima Jahan contacted him following the release of Shiba Inu. Jahan apparently requested that all videos about unification be removed by the YouTuber. Because unification is the firm creating the Layer 2 network of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, BitBoy Crypto came to the conclusion that Jahan is the founder of Shiba Inu. Additionally, Shabarium BitBoy Crypto provided more proof to back up his assertion. He provided evidence, including text from the Karma DAO group, demonstrating Jahan's involvement in the sale of the fabled ship that was donated to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. A Karma DAO member named Community Organizer, who also happens to be the ticker symbol for Unification Fund, requests to issue a press release regarding Buterin in the screenshot. Additional screenshots from the Karma DAO group that were allegedly shared by a member also demonstrate the importance of the Community Organizer Fund to Buterin and the Shiba Inu SHIB transaction. Regard Armstrong. This serves as the conclusive evidence that Ryoshi, also known as Naima Jahan, is the founder of Shiba Inu. Jahan disputes Armstrong's assertions in a Twitter conversation. Hello, men. Jahan writes, "Let me do this again since a YouTube journalist decided to gather anecdotal material from the internet and do this again." He acknowledges that although he formed Unification Fund, he has not held a position of leadership for a while. He claims he still supports the group and the platform, nevertheless. According to BitBiz's idea, in 2021, I was said to be the founder and big whale of a well-known coin in unresearched stories. Most of these are false and were taken out. Additionally, recently, unfounded reports claim that I work for or with SBF. This can't be. Just 2 times have I shared a room with SBF, and neither time have we had any kind of professional or social connection. The SHIB community must now choose which party they trust more. The SHIB price was $0.1092, up 4.9% over the previous day. Like other cryptocurrencies, the price of Shiba Inu has been trending in recent days in line with general market indicators. The altcoin was unable to regain the losses it suffered over the previous month due to the strong negative trend, but going forward, it may be able to do so thanks to the shifting winds. The value of the Shiba Inu price increased by 3.61% from its weekly low, trading at $90 to offset a drop noticed 48 hours earlier. If SHIB is able to surpass the crucial barrier around $0.1189, traders who have been patiently waiting for a chance to go long the altcoin may be in luck. For the past month, an active downturn has been highlighted by the parabolic stop and reverse SAR. The existence of the indicator's blue dots above the candlestick has served as proof of this. However, as time goes on, this downtrend might be ending, and the indicator might change its reading to point to an ongoing uptrend. The average directional index, or ADX, shows that the bearish cues have been waning, which explains the situation. The indicator's descent below the 25-point threshold indicates a weakening of the current trend. A price increase may therefore be in store if SHIB is in an uptrend the following time the indicator crosses above the threshold. However, the Shiba Inu price would need to turn the crucial resistance at $0.01189 into a support floor in order to build a long-term upward trend. This would enable the SHIB to increase back to $5 and signify a 27% rally. Breaking through this barrier would also give the meme coin the chance to achieve year-to-date highs around $0.01477. The Shiba Inu price is also not too distant from important support. The bullish thesis will be refuted if the altcoin drops below this level at 60 cents. Additionally, the meme coin would be susceptible to a decline to lows at $0.769 in December 2022. Avarak AI is state-of-the-art. Blockchain technology integration in an AI crypto project is redefining AI development and implementation. For developers to work together and create decentralized AI models, Avarak AI offers a safe and open platform. As a result of the Avarak platform's scalability, it can manage complex AI projects involving several developers. The platform has already successfully completed the Cyberscope audit, which is conclusive proof of its openness and security. Avarak AI is extremely adaptable and flexible due to its compatibility with standard cloud providers and blockchains. As a result, developers can easily include Avarak AI into their current processes while maintaining their choice of platforms and tools. Dr. 100x and Cryptolab's explanations on why Avarak is a crucial addition to your portfolio are causing good conversations about Avarak on Twitter and YouTube. Avarak AI has started an initial coin offering, ICO, to raise money for the platform's development and foster a vibrant community around its initiative. Investors can purchase Avarak tokens through the ICO, which can be utilized in a variety of ways on the Avarak AI platform. The price of the Avarak token is currently 15 cents, and will rise in the upcoming phases as the ICO flourishes in its second phase. Early investors in the project are eligible for bonus payouts of up to 9%. The early Shiba Inu buyer, a cryptocurrency investor, admits that he regrets selling the token very much. The investor had invested $2,000 in Shib in January 2021, just before it began to rise. At the time, Shib was dealing. The token will swiftly remove 6 zeros within 10 months, but the investor was unaware of this. The user was able to amass 25 trillion tokens in January 2021 with a $2,000 investment. The investor admitted that he panicked and lost money when Shib's prices fell a few days after he made his investment. The 25 trillion tokens would have been worth $1 billion in the same year, so call it bad luck or a stupid choice. Shib attained its all-time high price of $0.8616 in October 2021. It climbed 67 million% after 10 months of him burning trillions of tokens, and the $2,000 would have grown to $1 billion. After witnessing the token achieve its all-time high in October 2021, the investor shared his response in a TikTok video. I recently received a message from a few friends informing me that Shiba Inu has increased 67 million% since January. When I was perusing Twitter in January 2021, I came across a suggestion to purchase meme currencies. Shib was one of them. I invested $2,000 at the time and left it alone for 2 weeks. According to Key, if I hadn't sold it, it would today be worth $1 billion. It went down, and I sold it for a loss. How would you manage it? The investor asked as the video came to a close. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.